Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 23rd February 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the Gobar-Dhan plant in which state with a capacity of 550 tons and a budget of rupees 150 crore. So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Indore in Madhya Pradesh. So recently, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated a 550-ton capacity of Gobar-Dhan plant in Indore in Madhya Pradesh by video. So this plant is considered to be the biggest Bio-CNG plant in Asia. The fund of rupees 150 crores are required to build this plant. Apart from that, it is based on the concept of waste to wealth innovation. So basically, Gobar-Dhan means wet household waste and waste from cattle and farmers. So it will around 17,000 kg per day CNG and 100 tons per day of organic compost. Okay, so now question number 2. What is the purpose of Meri Policy Mere Hath drive? So the correct answer of this question is option A, to grant crop insurance to the farmers. So recently the Meri Policy Mere Hath is a doorstep distribution drive that will grant crop insurance to the farmers for the upcoming Kharif season. So basically the drive will make sure that the farmer community is well aware and fully equipped with the information about various policy, land, records, claim processor and grievances redressal. So basically the fund support will be granted under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. So the financial support to the farmers suffering from crops loss or damage arises of the natural calamities. Okay, so now question number 3. Which non-banking financial company has launched the IRCTC BOB RuPay Card in collaboration with the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Bank of Baroda Financial Solution Limited. So recently the Bank of Baroda Financial Solution Limited in partnership with Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited has launched IRCTC BOB RuPay Card. So basically it will grant the maximum amount of saving to the frequent railway travelers. Around various benefits will be granted on shopping for grocery, fuel, etc. Apart from that, it will offer a 1% transaction fee waiver to the customer on all train ticket booking. It will offer a 1% fuel surcharge waiver across all petrol pump in India. Also, the reward points up to 40 on booking made on the IRCTC website or app will be given. So basically the reward point can be redeemed on the IRCTS website or app by linking the loyalty number, the respective IRCTC logging ID. Do remember the headquarters of Bank of Baroda Financial Solution Limited situated in Mumbai. Okay, so now question number 4. Kerala Startup Mission has partnered with which organization to provide local startup with access to the global startup community? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Google. So recently the Kerala Startup Mission has partnered with Google. They have partnered to grant local startup connectivity to the global startup community. So basically the wide network will be allowed the local startup to explore Google program to boost their operation. So the local startup will receive monitorship and training which will be scale up their businesses. So basically the startup will be able to explore new technology and attain a global standard. Okay, so now question number 5. Which table tennis player was recently selected as the Adidas brand ambassador? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Manika Batra. So recently table tennis player Manika Batra was named as a brand ambassador of Adidas. So the partnership focus on the empowering women to realize their dream, cheering for women to break barriers and boosting participation in sport. With this association, the DUE aims to derive credibility and inclusivity in support, further farming the aspiration of upcoming women sport persons across the India. Okay, so now question number 6. Which company has partnered with RWE Renewable GmbH of Germany to look into the possibility of developing cooperative offshore wind project in India? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Tata Power. So recently, the Tata Power has collaborated with Germany-based RWE, that is Renewable GmbH, to explore the potential for joint development of offshore wind project in India. So a memorandum of understanding in this regard was signed by Tata Power Renewable Energy Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Power, and REW, one of the world leaders in offshore wind. So basically, this is the line with Government of India's announcement of achieving 30 gigawatt of offshore wind installation by 2030. Do you remember? The CEO of Tata Power is Praveen Sinha and the headquarters situated in Mumbai in Maharashtra. Okay, so now question number 7. Which company recently announced its participation in the Southeast Asia, Middle East, Western Europe 6? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Bharti Airtel Limited. So recently, the telecom operator Bharti Airtel Limited has announced that it has joined Southeast Asia, Middle East and Western Europe 6 undersea cable consortium in a bid to scale up its high-speed global network capacity and serve India's fast-growing digital economy. So it shall be anchoring 20% of overall investment in cable system through Southeast Asia, Middle East and Western Europe 6 cable. 6. Airtel will be able to add 100% TBBS capacity to its global network. So the telecom will land the Southeast Asia, Middle East and Western Europe 6 cable system in India at a new landing station in Mumbai and Chennai. Apart from Airtel, there are the 12 other global members in the consortium. Do remember the CEO of Bharti Airtel name is Gopal Vittal and the founder is Sunil Bharti Mittal, and it is founded on year 1995 on the date of 7th of July. Okay, so now question number 8. As per the Deloitte 2022 CxO Sustainability Report, the disconnect between ambitious and impact, India business rank dashed in their concern for the climate change. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 5th. So recently, as per the Deloitte 2022 CX Sustainability Report, the disconnect between ambitious and impact, Indian business ranked 5th in their concern for the climate change. According to the report, 80% of Indian executives see the world as a tipping point of responding to the climate change compared with just 53% in 8 months ago. So, question number 9. India's first Biosafety Level-3 mobile laboratory inaugurated in which city? So, the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Maharashtra. So recently, the Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare has inaugurated India's first Biosafety Level 3 Containment Laboratory in Nasik in Maharashtra. So basically, the mobile laboratory will help to investigate newly emerging and re-emerging viral infection by specially trained scientists from ICMR. The newly launched lab will be able to access remote and forested areas of the country to investigate outbreaks using samples from the humans and animal sources. Okay, so now question number 10. According to the latest Hurun India Wealth Report 2021, the number of dollar-millionaires household in India increased by dash percentage to 4,58,000 households in 2021. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 11%. So recently, according to the latest Hurun Indian Wealth Report 2021, the number of dollar-millionaires household in India increased by 11% to 4,58,000 household in 2021 as compared to 2020. So basically, the household having net worth of at least INR 7 crore is referred to the dollar-millionaire household. So the report has estimated that the number of dollar-millionaires household in the country shall be increased by 30% over 5 years to reach 6 lakh household in 2026. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and